What could be the biggest impact here in Central Ohio?
Well, I do think that that's starting to change a little bit, Tracy. So early this morning, coming in, watching how everything was looking to get set up, it was looking more like this was just going to be a wind-rain event with maybe a couple severe thunderstorms mixed in. But as the day's progressing, we're getting some more information now. It is looking like our threat for severe storms is starting to increase a little bit, become a little bit more likely as we head into the 4, 5, 6 o'clock hour. But I do want to start off before we get into that. Let's just take a live look at what we've got outside right now, which is mostly just rain. Some heavy stuff getting ready to move through Columbus. It's starting to shift more towards the east as well, but we're still getting a little bit of a northerly shift. So I do expect Columbus is going to get a brief break here in the rain, but we do have that second round to look forward to. Temperatures not doing too well. Most of us are holding in the 30s and 40s. It's a little bit cool. And this is something, if we can't get up to the mid 50s, which is where our high should be today, then we're going to struggle to get some of those severe storms. So it's just another piece of the puzzle that we're keeping an eye on. So for now, we're sitting in the 40s, still anticipating though to get back to the 50s for highs later today. And here is our severe weather outlook. Since this morning, the Severe Weather Prediction Center has gone ahead and shifted this enhanced risk a little bit farther to the north. And now what that tells me is that essentially these areas here, spots like Chillicothe, we're really close to that line. So it's close enough that we're going to have to take it easy through the afternoon. Even if you're in that slight risk, I would just go ahead and anticipate seeing some severe weather through the afternoon. If you're in the marginal risk, it's less likely you're at least going to see thunderstorms, but it wouldn't surprise me if we see 1 or 2 severe storms make it this far north as well. Within those severe storms, we're watching for flooding potential. We've already seen some heavy rain today, more on the way. Again, we've got this widespread flood watch in effect. The wind advisory has been shifted now further north, and we even have some high wind warnings in effect now for portions of southern Ohio. So more updates that have been issued over just the last hour even. Let's walk through your hour-by-hour forecast. I will say not much has changed in this. The data is pretty consistent at this point. We've got some spotty showers at times through now, maybe a brief break. Then here comes that next line. The latest model data is looking a little messier, not quite as well defined, which does suggest maybe some questions with the severe weather potential, but I'm still holding tight that this line here that comes through by 6 o'clock, these individual cells, is where we could see some severe storms pop through. Now, by 7, 8 o'clock, we're looking much, much better. The system moves out. We're going to be calm. We're going to be quiet through the night. Temperatures go from those 50s this afternoon back down to the 30s. We're going to watch our winds slowly calm down. It's still going to be a little breezy as we head into tomorrow morning. But when it comes to all of the threats, we're going to be calming down by 7. Let's go through the rainfall, though. Most spots picking up at least ½ an inch. Highest totals are still here to the northwest. Areas like Urbana, Kenton, Marion, Marysville, Delaware, Columbus, London, and I would even include Washington Courthouse. Winds will be strong through the afternoon with gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour. It's even possible we see gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So again, widespread potential for wind, rain, and then we're watching that severe weather threat that has been updated just a bit, that enhanced risk shifting north over the past few hours. All right. That's everything today. A lot going on. The weekend's a lot calmer though. Temperatures in the 50s both Saturday and Sunday. Sunshine by Sunday. Monday, same story, but we're back to the 60s. We do start to cool things down by Tuesday. Temperatures falling back to the 50s. We're in the 40s by Wednesday, and that is where we stay through the weekend.